dock. Look, no wake. We're gonna make an awaken right off the dock. All right, guys, so I don't think you guys got half of what I just did because my GoPro was flecking out. I think when these GoPros get hot, they don't work. It's just I don't have good luck with GoPros at all. I wish GoPros would watch some of my videos and so I could prove to them how these GoPros just, they don't, when they get hot, they turn off, they don't work. They don't like the heat. I think they like being in the snow, where you see a bunch of these videos with guys doing, you know, snowboarding and stuff like that. These things work great, but in summertime when it's hot, you can hang it up. In the south, in the humidity. So anyway, what I just did was to prepare my boat for getting ready to go to the lake. I cranked it up before I left the house, so I wanted to make sure the boat will run. I put my leg, and when I say leg, I'm talking about the outdrive. This is an inboard outboard boat, so I'm talking about the outdrive. I put it all the way up. Okay, other than that, I'm gonna get these noodles put away. You guys don't need to see that because that's what we like to do. We like to take noodles to the lake. That's not a part of what you need to do for boating. So I'll be back in a little while. Check you later. All right, guys, here we go. We're getting ready to pull out and we're gonna head to the lake. I got everything ready to go. We got the cooler in the boat. The boat is all ready to go. I got my sunglasses. I got my hat. We're all set. Now I'm just waiting on a woman. That's a song, right? Waiting on a woman. All right, get y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all. Where is that? Man, where'd that Cadillac CTS-V go? There it is, I think. Way over there. No, I'll hear it in a minute because that thing was sounding good. It sounded so good. $3.66 a gallon for 93. How much y'all paying for gas? Where'd that CTS-V go? That thing sounds so good. Wait, is that it? Yes, that's it. Y'all watch the CTS-V. Let's see if he takes off. That thing was sounding right. Come on, bud, here it goes. Oh, he did kick it hard. He come around here. He come around here a while ago, cammed and everything. Trucker sounded right. Putting some 93 into chaparral. I know you don't have to, but I like running 93. These things run so much better on 93. So I might just do it 25. We'll go 10 gallons. Do 30. That's enough. I like to make it an odd number. Okay, there we go. Lock her down. Alright, let's see if it'll give me a receipt. Give me a receipt. It's like I have to keep track of how much gas I'm putting in my boat. No, not really, I don't. Okay, we're good. Alright. We're good. Man, did you see that Cadillac? Huh? That come right in front of us right here? That thing was sounding badass. That thing sounded good. Here you go. All right, off to the lake, finally. It's a process, ain't it? Yeah. All right, we're almost at the lake. Easing on down here. I guess I'll turn the music down for the moment. We get ready to go over the bridge here on part of the lake. Here's a boat ramp down here that I'll never go to because it's so crowded. Yeah. There we go. There's the lake, boys. The lake. Hope it's warm. Beautimous. Beautimous, beautimous, beautimous. We're going to make another turn here. Slow them horses down. We get to see some more of the lake. I'm gonna turn it off here before I get to the boat ramp. You can hold it when we get to the boat ramp though. Let's see if we see some more lake. Yeah, there's the lake. It's pretty. Got quite a few folks out there. See anybody in the water? Does it look warm? I don't know. Alright, let me cut this off. When we get to the boat ramp, I'll catch back up with you. Alright, so we're driving up into the park here. And we're going to come around this curve here where we have to pay up. So let's get around this curve. And we're gonna pay up. Be back in a second. Alright. I'm gonna pull up to the boat ramp here. We're gonna get an idea of how crowded the boat ramp is as soon as we pull up in here. I ain't got time to touch the seatbelt and took it off. There goes one boat leaving, that's a good sign. Okay, so it's pretty through here. Oh yeah, just don't forget to put my window up because I think last time you left them down.
What?
You left the window down last time.
No, I didn't.
It was down when I got back to the truck. I never said anything to you about it. It
Oh
was.
my God.
It was down as could be.
Right.
Yes, sir. It's a little crowded today. Oh boy, it's a lot crowded today, but I think they are setting up. Yeah, because they probably don't know what they're doing. Yeah. All right, well, sorry guys. You should have had your mess ready before you got here. So it's crowded. So the approach I take is just to stay calm, cool, and relaxed, because as you can see, here's everybody at the boat ramp trying to get out at one time or get in. Let's see what they're going to do. And I start to try and figure out which boat ramps are open. Right now there's none. There's a truck in every, there's one truck up here that's got the ramp blocked. He's trying to back in. There's a truck, the black Silverado right here, he's trying to back in over here on the end. There's a Ram down there. There's a Cadillac Escalade down there. There's a black truck way on the other side. So every single ramp right now is backed up. All right, so basically we sit here and wait. And this is the point where people behind you are wondering why you're waiting, because they can't see what's going on. So they tend to get pissed off.
Oh my gosh, he's going over.
Yeah, and this guy right here, he cannot back that little trailer because he can't see it. If he would let his tailgate down, he would be able to see that trailer.
Can you go on the other side of the red truck?
There's somebody over there.
Where?
Isn't it?
I don't see nobody.
No? Okay. You sure? All right.
Yeah,
All right.
I don't see anybody.
Okay. So my wife did find there was a spot down here.
On the other side of the red truck. Just that truck. Yeah.
Yeah, I do see. Okay, so there is one open spot right there. So what you do is you pull down, you make a circle, and you line yourself right up with it. Just like so. And then you just back up. Thanks, Mike, for picking that, because I never saw it.
Well, I had to wait till they were
I know, I really couldn't see it until I got down in here.
Well, when they saw it go down,
Yep.
and I'm like, well,
So when I back in until my fenders are right at the edge of the water, or the top of the fenders is at the edge of the water. Right about right there. Okay, I hit the parking brake, put it in park. And then Miss No Grip is going to back me in the rest of the way. So let me get all my mess out. Let's see. I want my GoPro batteries. Got them in my pocket. I want my cell phone. Got that, and I think that's all I need. Huh? And your cell phone. I do. And so the cell phones are going to go in the boat first because we don't want to drop them in the water. So they're in the boat. So I don't have straps on the back. So we're going to undo the lock, the first lock, safety lock on the front, which is right there. Take that off, and then we're going to undo the strap on the front. Unloosen it, and then we unloosen that strap, and that's all there is to the front. You're done on the front. And oh, by the way, guys, I love these stairs. They are so freaking awesome. It's the best invention ever. But we're gonna take my shoes off. I don't like to be in the boat with the shoes on. All right, first things are first. We're gonna put the engine all the way down. Excuse me, the outdrive, the leg, whatever you're gonna call it, all the way down. And it's down. Gonna crank the boat up. First thing. Before you get off the trailer, before you move off the trailer, make sure your boat runs. Come on back. Back up. Just like that. See how easy that was? Drive her off the trailer and back up, and we're gonna get out of the way of everybody else. That simple. Gonna get out of the way of the dock. Look, no wake. We're gonna make an awakening right off the dock. First idiot of the day. You're not, this is a no wake zone. Look at that. Okay guys, hadn't been to the lake 20 seconds. Guy takes a jet ski, pulls right out, makes a wake right in the dock. Beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. It's amazing. It's a no wake zone here. People don't understand that. I wish the daggone park ranger and the wildlife officer was here to get them every time, but they never are. Never. Look at this. Look at this right here. No wake zone. If I had a dime for every time a jet ski was coming through making a wake in a no wake zone, I'd be a rich man. Bro, hey, don't they realize this is a no wake zone?
No, I guess not.
I got them. They're gonna be on YouTube.
Okay.
I got my GoPro right here.
There you go.
I didn't back in on the lake. I wasn't here 15 seconds. Boom, right out of the dock.
Yep, I know.
They have no clue,
No.
none whatsoever. Clueless. Look at this. Guys, you can't make this, you can't make it up. You can't make it up. It's getting hot out here. I gotta put my top up, and I'm waiting for Miss No Grip to park the truck. She'll be back here in a minute. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off right here, and you guys pretty much see what it's like to get onto the lake in the boat. You know, that's a pretty seamless process. And then you gotta watch out for, you know, obviously everybody else when you get out on the lake. But yeah, this is a typical Sunday in Lake Life, America. Catch you on a little bit.